Another surprise! Oh my G! Hey, and the bees. I wonder if it's gonna continue. That's the problem. So far, this is still staying alive. And the bees already pollinated that new one, so pretty much it might have a chance of surviving. And we'll get some squash. Squash. And there's a lot of flower I can harvest before the day ends. Might need to cook today. Some of the seeds sprouted, but I don't know if they're actually gonna survive. That's the only question. We're just gonna have to wait. And so far, I see a green. That is onion. Ooh, they're sprouting now. Nice. Quite a lot of flowers today. Very nice, very nice. And my orange roses. So pretty, OMG. So far, this moringa is still alive. So far. Perfect timing since I'm planning on making some beef soup. I could use this already. This vegetable. And this peach is finally maturing. The trunk is steady already. And it has branches now. So next year, I think it'll be good. It's probably gonna grow bigger already next year. So far so good with these other plants and other vegetables. So far so good. That's all I can say. I did some tatsoi here too. And there are some vegetables here too. And my beans. Woohoo! One of the seeds actually came up. Zucchini. And my kangkong. Looking forward for this one. At least they stayed alive.